Hello, we are going to demonstrate our Hitt high intensity workout. So we're going to be starting with 2 rounds of a warm-up exercise of 3 different exercises. So our first exercise is a bootstrap squat. So what you want to do is grab onto your toes or as close as you can. You're going to pull your butt towards the floor. So what I want you to do is take a big breath in, fill yourself with air, and then you're going to shoot your hips up and kind of exhale as you did that. And then you're going to reset. Take a big breath in. So you would perform 10 of those. So our second exercise is going to be a lateral plank walk. So the goal is keeping your shoulders over your hands, just doing a sidestepping motion, 5 to the right and 5 back to the left. If you want to make these a little more challenging, you can do a push-up with each step. And same idea, 5 to the right, 5 to the left. And our third sequence is doing 3 different lunges. So we're going to start with our left leg. It's opposite on here. So you go forward, then you're going to go lateral and reverse. And then you would repeat that sequence. So ankles when you go forward, reach out in front when you go lateral, and reverse when you go behind. So 5 reps, and then you would switch legs. When you finish, you would go around one more time. So our workout is going to be a ladder format. So for 4 exercises, you're going to start with 2 reps apiece. So you're going to do a pivot slam, which is going to be slam and pivot. So just pivoting in the direction that you're rotating and just trying to put as much force into the ball as you can. So, if you don't have a med ball, you can do a chop, or if you don't have a med ball, you can slam. So you can do a chop with like a rubber ball, or any kind of ball or weight in your hand. You can also hold a dumbbell or a kettlebell. If you do a dumbbell, you're going to hold it in the middle, and it's kind of a swing, just overly exaggerating, tighten up the core. So, 2 aside on those. Reverse crunches is the third exercise, so you're going to want something that you can grab onto, a beam, a couch. So full extension up, crunch in, full extension out, crunch in, full extension up. So a little bit easier starting at 90 and just doing a little hip thrust up to the sky and not going up and out. And our final exercise is a split jump. So the goal is switching in the air, so you would do 2 on each side. A little bit easier is just doing a good old-fashioned bodyweight lunge, alternating fashion. If you need assistance or anything with a lunge, take some of your body weight away. Get up and get something that you can hold on to. If you got a band or something tying up, you can hold that as well. So you would do 2 blast-off push-ups, 2 pivot slams, 2 reverse crunches, 2 split jumps, and then you would move to the round of 4, and then 8, and then 10 for a 25-minute time cap. Just always adding 2 reps. And I just realized we did skip the blast-off push-ups, so we will show that real quick. So a squat and lockout is easier. A full push-up and squat is a little more challenging. All right, so that is your ladder workout for the high intensity. Have fun, work hard.